Hello everybody, today we make pasta with a lemon sauce. For the ingredient we got spaghetti, but you can use any kind of the pasta you want. I got a lemon, I got a Grana Padana cheese, I got one yolk, and I got heavy cream. Now first thing we cook the pasta, okay, it take like 9-10 minutes. And I salt already the water, and let's start with the pasta. And after we start to do all the creamy stuff, the sauce I gotta do for the pasta. Let's make a nice turn on this. I don't want the pasta to stick together. But all the time I told everybody, make sure to use a lot of water when you cook pasta. A lot of people said to me, Pasquale, why my pasta stick together? It stick together because you don't got no water. That's why. But you see this? Look at that. Okay, now we start with the yolk. And we put the yolk right over here. And look how beautiful color it got. And we start, I want to make sure the scramble really good to this. Now we got the lemon. Yeah, I gotta do the zest of the lemon. Okay, and this it's enough. The zest, I gotta use half a lemon, the juice only. I don't want no seeds that go inside. That's why I put my hands like this. Now we gotta turn the good. This is the lemon. I squeeze and zest the lemon. Okay, now we put the cheese. Oh, look at that, the cheese, beautiful. And now we use the heavy cream. Turn nice. Now this is good, but I want more cheese. Oh, look at this. It gotta be nice, creamy. This is a Grana Padana. You can use a Parmigiano or you can use a pecorino cheese. Okay, we need more cheese. Let's do more cheese. Good. Look at this nice creamy come out. And now look at this one I mix with the pasta and with a nice glass of wine. It's really good. Okay, now the pasta it's nice al dente, and we take it out and we put it right on the spots over here, but make sure no more the heat on the pasta. I turn off the gas, everything. If you got a little extra water when I do the pasta, it's okay. Okay, maybe we need a little bit more. Okay, now it's time. That's the pasta over here. And we gotta pour all this and make sure that the mix is really good. Okay, you don't want to be scramble everything. You gotta mix nice. Okay, this you gotta be really creamy. Okay, now we put everything over here. And to make sure I got a leftover, I want to put a little pasta inside to clean up all the dish, all the eggs, the cheese, everything. And now we give a little turn. And to make sure we put a little pasta water. And now you mix it together really good. Okay, now we bring it right over here. And now it's a time of the test. Look how beautiful. And we got over here more cheese. And now, oh. It's really, really good, a good taste. Taste the lemon and the cheese, everything delicious. Hope somebody make this dish. It's really good. And we see next time. Thank you.